Halabtech FRP Tool is widely used for flashing firmware, unlocking bootloaders, and FRP bypass. This review looks at how it helps technicians restore Android devices and remove account locks. Note: use it only with the device owner's permission. Part 1. What is Halabtech FRP Tool? Halabtech FRP Tool is a professional Android utility designed for mobile repair tasks, such as unlocking, flashing firmware, repairing IMEI, and bypassing Google's factory reset protection FRP. Part 2. Halabtech FRP Tool, Key Features. Part 3. Halabtech FRP Tool, Pricing and Security. Pricing. Annual license 50/70 varies by reseller. Credits are used for services like IMEI repair, flashing, and network unlock. 50 plus credits depending on task. Refunds. Server errors are refunded. User-side mistakes are not. Security. Download only from official or verified sources. License is tied to one PC HUD. Runs on Windows 10 11th 64-bit with basic specs. Frequent updates every 1-2 weeks. Cracked versions may contain malware. Part 4. How to download and use Halabtech FRP Tool. 01. Prepare computer. Download Halabtech Tool V1.1.6 from the official site. Check Windows 7 to 11 compatibility. Install USB drivers and disable antivirus temporarily. 02. Install and launch. Extract and install the tool. Install Qualcomm driver and load. 03. Enter idle mode. Power off the phone and locate idle points. Make the jumper connection and plug into PC. Click refresh in the tool. 04. Execute FRP bypass. Follow the tool prompts and complete the process on your Android. Wait for it to finish. Your FRP lock should now be removed. Part 5. Halabtech FRP Tool, Pros and Cons. Pros. All-in-one tool for FRP, unlock, IMEI, flashing, supports many brands and chipsets, frequent updates, simple interface, multiple working modes. Cons. Needs technical skills, risk of bricking, Windows only, may trigger antivirus, not beginner-friendly. Part 6. The most reliable Halabtech FRP Tool alternative. Are there alternatives to Halabtech FRP Tool? Yes, there are several alternatives, such as Odin Samsung, SB Flash Tool Mediatek, and other FRP bypass utilities. Commercial tools like Android Lock Wiper also offer guided unlocking features. Step 1. Install the software on your computer, then open it and choose Remove Google Lock FRP, followed by Advanced Mode. Connect your Android phone using a USB cable and click Start. Then enter the required device details and proceed by clicking Next. Step 2. Follow the prompts to boot your phone into recovery mode. Select the correct PDA, country, and carrier information. Then download the required data package. After that, click Start to extract and follow the instructions to switch the device into download mode. Step 3. Enable USB debugging and turn on OEM unlocking on your phone. The tool will extract firmware components and prepare the device automatically. Once everything is set, the FRP unlocking process will begin and complete automatically. Conclusion: Halabtech FRP Tool versus Android Lock Wiper.